Adding a payment method to your Big Cartel store is essential for processing customer transactions. Here's how to do it. Log into your Big Cartel account. Visit Big Cartel and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, click on your store name or profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Access Payment Options. In the Settings menu, locate the Payment section. Here, you will find various payment options available for your store. Choose your payment methods. Big Cartel supports multiple payment processors, including PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Select the payment method you want to use. If you don't have an account with the chosen processor, you will need to create one. Connect your payment account. Follow the prompts to connect your payment account. This typically involves logging into your payment processor account and granting Big Cartel permission to process payments. Save changes. After successfully connecting your payment method, make sure to save your changes. Test your payment setup. It's advisable to run a test transaction to ensure everything works correctly.